Hey, it's Christy with WTI, and I wanted to talk to you guys about a really cool hair styling tool that I started using. And it's this hair dryer brush here. I found it on the WeChip store on Amazon. So it comes with 4 different attachments. I'm gonna demonstrate this larger curling brush, but they snap on super easy. It's hard to snap it on when I can't see it. There you go. You just line it up and then push it down. You hear it click. And then to release it, you just hit this silver button here. But there's a smaller curling brush, there's a straightening brush, and then this attachment here is just to use as a traditional blow dryer. So I've been in the process of growing my hair out. This length is actually really long for me. And I have really thin hair. So I wanted something that made my hair look thicker than what it actually is. And this has definitely done that. And it's also saved me time in getting ready because once I use this brush, I don't have to style it. So I'm gonna show you the results I get from using this larger curling brush.
So all I'm doing while I'm drying my hair is rolling the brush forward and pulling my hair down to curl it under.
Okay, so here are my results. Now the only product I have in here is I put a little bit of mousse at the top, like the crown of my head, but I don't have any other product in here, and my hair looks full, which I love because normally I straighten my hair, but because it's thin and it's getting so long, straightening it has just kind of made it look flat. So I'm super happy with how this gives me great body, and I don't have to style it, which saves me time. I might throw a little bit of hairspray in here, a little bit of hair paste, but that's it, and I'm done. So if you have thin hair like me, I think this is a great tool. That's my point of view.